That probably goes to this long one right here. Is that what that goes to? Like a wiring mess. Jeez. Oh man. Everything got so dirty under the hood of that thing. I hope you know what you're doing. You lost me, Randy. I try to do it one way at a time. Oh, this new system doesn't need a relay, right? It's in there. The new system has a relay in there, right? Gotcha. Makes sense. So glad to get rid of these extra wires. Not even kidding. I think that goes to that. This right here.
Hey, good morning. You're into the airport, right?
Yep, thanks for checking. I left the car. How long have you been a rideshare driver?
About 3 years now. I really enjoy it.
Isn't it hard to make money these days with the price of gas being so high?
Not for me. I use Upside, the free app that gives you cash back for every gallon of gas you buy.
Wait a minute. Are you saying you actually get real money back when you get gas with the Upside app?
Yep, I get real cash back every time I get gas.
Does that actually add up to anything?
I'll make around $200 to $300.
Wow, that's serious extra cash. I'm downloading the Upside app now.
Download the free Upside app now to earn real cash back every time you buy gas. Use promo code NEXT for an extra 25 cents per gallon bonus on your first tank. You can cash out anytime. Right to your bank account, PayPal, or a gift card for Amazon.
Is that one trying to run in the truck?
The free Upside app and use promo code NEXT.
I think it is for the other plow controller.
First tank, that's code NEXT.
Did you want that taken out?
You want this stuff taken out? You
Yeah.
don't need it.
don't know why they made them that long. It's crazy. Here's something in here clicking.
No.
No, listen.
Donate today at sesame.org/iHeart. That's sesame.org/iHeart.
Yeah, something's clicking. Maybe that's what it is. Maybe that's what it is.
Erie.iHeartMedia.com.
Maybe it's losing its mind.
Honda Studios, WRKT, Erie's Rock Station, Rocket 105, and iHeart Radio Station. Adventures like that. Let's rock. Rocket 105.
Yeah, now I can't click nothing. The rest of this is that one going in the truck, I think, but I think it might be hooked to something else. You have to take a flashlight in there. I can't see it. I kind of got it. It don't got a light on it like this. That plug you see is the actual 6-pin, the old one, but I believe it was tapped into something, maybe. I don't know. Crazy. I can't believe that I get to get rid of this much wiring. Not to mention what we pulled out here and what's on the ground. That stuff in itself would make the truck mad. This man's like a wizard. My other buddy told me they're two wizards. Right there's one wizard. These guys take on everything. These were extra.
Yep.
And then we're going to put that other one back on. I was afraid they were going to do something. Hold on, is that the right one? This one. Hold on. Let's see. Yeah, that one. Make sure it's the right one. Wrong one.
Bottom one. Bottom one.
Pull the red one.
I have 2 red wires.
All right, keep pulling.
You're gonna plug.
Yeah, 6-pin plug.
And then bolt in that cover.
all the way home.
Rocket 105 will be ready for Dallas on your
Yep.
That way you're only just 2 taps away from the rock, the winning, and everything Rocket 105.
It was for the old system. That's how bad I've been wanting that off. Oh my God. You knew. It's crazy they put on like 10, 12 feet of that wire. That is no joke. Per each. You're quick. I didn't even see you hook that ground up. I see it over there though. Yep. It's just I don't know where that went. Maybe like that. Yep. That one can get a little. It'll fit in there. It'll fit. Never mind. It'll fit. No, it was, I don't know what that is. That was under there. That's your souvenir. I don't know who did that.
Erie's home of the Rovers. Morning glory. Rainy season is about to begin again because everybody got something. And that's pretty much kind of
Here's your isolation module 3-port plow system, wiring plug system.
website to win $1,000 begins again right here. We were lost, but now we're found. There you are. Now you back to the rock.
That's good stuff. Real good stuff. Heck yeah, that's good stuff, man. I already checked it out. It works. In like Flint.
No, there's a button. That side's broke.
Okay. Yeah, that's where the people hit me in Lowell's parking lot, and I told them, don't worry about it. They looked like they were deprived and couldn't afford to have the hit, so I told them, don't worry about it. My loss is your gain. It's just an old truck. Got that. Done. Clean her up. Make it nice and tight. Everything's a little neater. Very, very high-end service every time. Look at the amount of wires we just got rid of. Watch this, I'm gonna show you. Not even gonna believe it. I'm gonna lay these wires over here on the floor so somebody can see how much wires we got out of this. He just dissected this thing right there. And then this is the one I had to replace. This had a bad end. See how it popped out? Kind of pulled. Got a disconnect right here underneath my thumb. $200 cord right there. She's done. Tight. Five-star service every time. Abby's on.